Welcome back, guys. Today we're making our Mexican style chorizo mashed potatoes. First, let's gather our ingredients. 1/2 pounds of golden potatoes, 8 ounces of chorizo, 1/4 tablespoons of white pepper, 1 tablespoon black pepper, 2 pinches of salt, 3/4 cups butter, and 1/4 cup of milk. Get some cilantro for garnish. Alright, let's get started. Add your potatoes to boiling water and cover. While you wait for that to cook, you can start on your chorizo. When your chorizo is ready, you can set it aside so you can start smashing your potatoes. Add your butter and milk, add the black pepper, the white pepper, and mix.
Make sure you mix it well.
Chop your cilantro finely and use it as garnish for the potatoes. Plate your potatoes and add the chorizo, and then top it off with the cilantro. I hope you guys enjoy. P.S. This is the perfect side dish for Thanksgiving, and it's so easy to make.